Hey y'all, me and my wife are about to do our little run bike thing today. I think her goal is to do 35 minutes. So I'm gonna bike alongside her, and then once it's at 35, I'm gonna turn back around and do 40. They're doing some construction on the Greenbelt right now. We're at Julia Davis Park right now, and that's where we're gonna start. We're gonna run out towards the fairgrounds here in Boise and out towards Garden City. Basically, this is a kind of our, one of our final times running on the Greenbelt here in Boise. We're gonna be leaving here in July, so goal is to get some cool pics of the Greenbelt, especially in the summertime, springtime kind of views. But yep, so that's the game plan. She's gonna hit 35. I'm gonna try to hit 40 minutes today, and we're gonna try to get as much of the Greenbelt as we can, just for all memory's sake, and hope you guys enjoy. Liz's Run. We're somewhere in between Willow Creek Sports Complex and the fairgrounds, so I'll be adding on just to get my little extra bit of time in. I may go over, I may go under, but the goal is between 40 to 45 minutes. I ran 45 minutes last week, but this week's been pretty rough. I had 2 days this week where I was working pretty hard for it, and yesterday I felt sluggish, so took it easy yesterday. Did 25 minutes, so hopefully I feel good today. Also ice bathed and rolled out yesterday. I just jumped in the creek, even though it was a thunderstorm. Bad idea, but good time. So hopefully today I feel pretty good. It's about what, 53 degrees right now, 54. Partly cloudy, sometimes it's gone. The sun's gone, sometimes it's here. Kind of warms it up when the wind's not blowing, but she had her run all in the wind, and so I should have most of the wind to my back on my run, so hopefully get a good run in. See you guys. Well, that was the mile marker. That's 7:46, so pretty good. I normally will hit my first miles around there. Sometimes if I'm feeling really good, I'll be in 7:30s, but that's a 7:46, and we're not quite at the turnaround point yet, so I might be going closer to the 45, but it's fine. We'll see what happens. Feeling all right. My calves are fine right now. Just got some shin pains on the left side, but nothing too crazy. See what happens the rest of this run. Just hit the 4 mile mark. It was 7:42 average pace. Second mile was quicker. Third mile was slower. So now my GoPro switched to photo instead of video. So that might slow me down. Still a good run. Nothing else new. Just got about a mile to 2 to go. Let's finish this thing up. Did 45 today. It was 7:38 pace. I think it's like 5.89 miles. So not too bad. I think my splits were, it's like 7:46, 7:27, 8:06 when I had to screw around with my GoPro. And then it went down to 7:28, another 7:28. I'm not sure that last mile or 0.89 was, but pretty good run. Glad I got 45 in. Only thing troubling me is the shin, but overall good run. Hopefully get some decent footage out of this. It's a beautiful day, but I'm still new to the GoPro thing, so I don't really know how good things come out until I get on the computer and, you know, edit and whatnot. So hope you guys enjoyed. I know you will. Bye.